Hi, it's here from the Working Yarn. Today I'll be showing you how to do the puff stitch. So grab your yarn and your hook. I have here a single row of single crochet, and then on the second row I did a double crochet. So if you need a refresher course or you want to know how to do these stitches, I'll put a links below on all these steps. So let's get to the puff stitch. So with the puff stitch, you want to wrap the yarn around once, insert the hook into the stitch, wrap the yarn around once, and pull through. You have 3 loops. Wrap the yarn around once, insert the hook into the same stitch, wrap the yarn around once, and pull through. Now you have 5 loops. Once more, wrap the yarn around once, insert the hook into the same stitch, wrap the yarn around once, and pull through. You have 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now you want to wrap the yarn around once and pull through all 7 stitches. Sometimes you may need to finagle, and then chain 1 to close the stitch. So there is the puff stitch. Let's do that again. Let's give it a little bit of space. So I'm going to do a double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, so into the next stitch, we're going to wrap the yarn around once, insert the hook, wrap the yarn around once, and pull through 3 loops. Wrap the yarn around once, insert the hook into the same stitch, wrap the yarn around once, and pull through 5 stitches. Wrap the yarn around once, insert the hook into the same stitch, wrap the yarn around once, pull through. Now you got 7 stitches. So now you're going to wrap the yarn around once and pull through all 7 stitches. Chain 1. Oh my. There you go. Got caught in the yarn. Chain 1 to close the stitch, and there again is the puff stitch. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be sure to answer them. Also, click on the subscribe button below to be kept updated on all the videos from the Working Yarn. Wherever you are in the world, thanks. Happy crocheting. Bye.